Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our Slava. Tonight, we are taking all of you on an incredible time travel journey, straight to the south of Serbia. For our Greek and Cypriot and Romanian friends, this is our version of your name day. But instead of an individual, we celebrate patron saint of the entire house and family. For our friends from Poland and Litvanije, imagine a mix of Christmas and a patron saint's day, but with a lot more of southern temperament.
Slava has survived for thousands of years. Our pagan ancestors loved their old gods so much that the church in the 13th century gave up on banning them. The white saint Slava, who was our first archiepiscop, did the best rebranding in history. He replaced the old gods with Christian saints. Today, this custom is protected by UNESCO as a masterpiece of cultural heritage.
And since today is July 18, our patron is Saint Sisoja, known in Serbian tradition as the official protector of children and youth, and the ultimate enemy of all demons. Some of our unique and fun customs are tied to this day. First, it is believed that everyone must light a candle to this saint today, so that things start going well in life.
So, tonight we are starting a brand new tradition for our camp. Our host will hand out small pieces of paper. Write down your biggest wish and you put those. Second, we have Saint Peter's Aquapat. If it rains today, others say that children and youth must run and get completely soaked. It is believed that this is special healing water sent from heaven by Saint Sisoja, helping everyone grow up big, strong, and healthy. And the third thing, the night rules. Since Saint Sisoja is the greatest chaser of all devils and demons, it is believed that on this day, all dark forces run away and hide in fear. Because of this, young people can stay outside as late as they want tonight because they are completely safe. Which means all of these guys officially have the green light to party until dawn.
Before ritual starts, I want to tell you something more about these symbols that we have on our table. First, as you see, we have a candle. We have a candle that symbolizes light and warmth in our lives. Second, we have special bread. It symbolizes Jesus, but also our prayers, and symbolizes peace. Everybody take the bread.
Kažete im da 3 puta gore.
3 times you roll and 3 times you say the prayer. You put it up.
Oca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amen. Oca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amen. Oca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amen. Ovo Nikola ti
A ovako
Now, you stay here. Just stay me here.
Now
No.
is the ceremony of cutting bread, but we see the bread won't cut. Right, let's try to soak it in the wine. Oh, now it's going, yeah. No, this is not wine. Rakia, try with rakia. This wasn't wine, this was some juice.
Oh, it's working now.
Oh, it's working, yeah, great.
And everybody gonna drink wine. Dobro, ne mora se svoditi.
we will break the cake. The bread. The bread.
break it. And when I said Christos među nas, and he said yes, da bude. It's like Christos
Between us.
between us, and yes, it is. Christos među nas. Christos među nas. Christos među nas. Now we do it like this. Me and you.
Now they will break another time with a guest.
Kiss the bread.
And we take the cake.
I think this deserves an applause, no? Clap.